Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today on As the Rooster Crows, I'm actually going to cook up two different meals. But this one, I don't know if you guys have ever tried it. This is roasted Brussels sprouts. And even if you don't much care for Brussels sprouts, you might like them like this. I happen to like Brussels sprouts, but take 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts. Take the ends, any brown ends. I just like to cut this end off a little bit here. We're going to remove that. We're going to remove any yellowing leaves, anything that looks old. You don't want to cut too far into your Brussels sprout or the leaves will start to separate. Once you get those all cut, you want to put in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to do it into a bag here. You could do it in a bowl if you want, but that's going to create more dishes. So we want to add the oil. We want to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we want to add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just doing this the exact way that the recipe always shows it. If you want to do your favorite, barbecue seasoning or whatever, you can put it in there. That's what they're going to taste like. Then you're just going to put all of your Brussels sprouts into the bag or into the bowl, whatever you're using. And then just mix it around so that you can coat it on all sides. And just dump them out on a baking sheet. They look good already. Now we're just going to put them in the oven and we're going to bake them at 400 for 35 to 45 minutes. I tend to go towards the 45. You want the outside, what it's going to do is it's going to caramelize the outside with the natural sugars that are in here, and that's going to mix in with the salt and pepper. And then the inside is going to be nice and tender. And the outside should be browned, and some spots can even be black. That's exactly how you want it. So usually it takes closer to 45 minutes. When you're cooking these, you want to come in a couple of times and shake them so they can kind of get browned evener on all the sides. Alright, our roasted Brussels sprouts are finished. You can see right there what they look like. A little blackened and a little crisp on the outside. Soft all the way through. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. If you're cooking up the Brussels sprouts or the taco hot dish, you will not be disappointed. I will see you guys on the next video.